All right, welcome back. I wanted to take you on a tour of the Anthem Highlands community in Henderson, Nevada. This community was established in 2003 and it has roughly 7,500 residents. It's really made up of different neighborhoods. It's about 20 to 25 minutes down to the Las Vegas Strip, which makes it a very popular location in Henderson. It's also only about 5 minutes from the Henderson Executive Airport, and all the restaurants and most shopping needed is really only 10-minute drive down the hill. Now I want to talk about two very popular communities. One right here with the golf course is Sun City Anthem, which sits just to the east of Anthem Highlands. Now Anthem Highlands is not a 55 plus community. Sun City Anthem is. It's a very large community with multiple clubhouses, but I do believe that this provides an extra safety level when it comes to living in Sun City Anthem. A smaller, lesser known community, which I'll go over in another video, is Madera Canyon, just to the top of the mountain. Now the other community is going to be Inspirada, which is a newly developed community over the last 15 years, mostly comprised of townhomes and single family homes, which sits just to the west of Anthem Highlands. While they're no longer building new homes in Anthem Highlands, it's still a very popular place to live. Most are single family homes that have a decent size from at least 1,700 square foot and up, and most are decent to large lots. One thing that has bothered me about most entry level homes, new builds in Vegas, is that it's a small backyard, if any. Now the main road that really divides Anthem Highlands is Anthem Highlands Parkway. It starts at the local shopping center and is under about 2 miles long, but off of the road, you can get to most of the gated and non-gated communities in this neighborhood. A couple of things I love about Anthem Highlands is there are some stunning homes that in other parts of town would really cost a lot more. Also, I say this often to clients looking for a single level home that don't want to break the bank or be part of a retirement community. Anthem Highlands has a really good amount of single-story homes in a reasonable price range compared to neighboring growing communities of Inspirada. Now, when it comes to walking around, this community has plenty of walking trails that really crisscross these neighborhoods when walking or biking pretty efficiently. I love it in the springtime when the weather is just starting to warm up. I'm taking my dog out for a walk when the sun goes down. It's around 75 degrees, but just beware, it backs up to BLM land, and sometimes I've known to see some coyotes. The main park in Anthem Highlands is Esomont Park. It has it all: barbecues, dog parks, splash pad, basketball courts, even a large grassy area. Now, because this park and this community sits near the top of West Henderson on the mountain range, it has a pretty good view of the Strip as well. And there's definitely a few other spots in town that come to mind for great Strip views. Now, one really unique feature I tell clients all the time when moving to this community is that it backs up to the other community of Inspirada. In fact, a little secret is this park has a trail that will literally walk you right down to another park in Inspirada. No gates or anything. So, as you can see, this little community of under 8,000 residents is kind of a diamond in the rough in my mind. Sure, the homes are a bit older than some other communities, but with all the development that West Henderson is getting, this will continue to be a popular place in Henderson. I know people ask all the time, so I wanted to throw it in here too. This is the small shopping center area that sits at the end of Anthem Highlands Parkway. If you didn't know, Henderson, Nevada is consistently voted top 10 safest cities in America, which is a reason why I love living here. If you've enjoyed the tour through Anthem Highlands, please subscribe for more tours and content. As a local living in West Henderson, if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out.